Depression is living in a body that fights to survive with a mind that tries to die. I took this from a website online and I really liked it. Depression is one of the most common mental illnesses. It is a mood disorder and it affects how you feel, think, and behave. Now, there are different types of depression, but we are talking about clinical depression or major depressive disorder. It is characterized by at least 2 weeks of low mood in most situations. Moving on to the causes, the exact cause is not known, but the causes can be grouped into certain categories like psychological, which can include stressful life events such as being bullied, loss of a person close to you, any kind of abuse, etc. Second is biological, which may be due to low levels of certain chemicals in the body, such as dopamine, serotonin, norepinephrine. And third is genetic. Next are the symptoms. So, in depression, there can be trouble concentrating, indecisive behavior, restlessness, overeating or appetite loss. The person may have feelings of worthlessness and persistent sad feelings and low self esteem. The condition may get so severe that the person might want to harm himself or herself and may have suicidal thoughts. Next is the treatment. This consists of antidepressant drugs, anti-anxiety drugs. These categories of drugs elevate the mood, reduce the stress, and may induce sleep. Apart from medications, there are therapies such as psychotherapy or talk therapy, behavior therapy, and many more. Certain lifestyle changes such as getting enough sleep, eating right, exercising, meditation may also prove to be helpful. Next is the prevalence. Depression is not something that should be taken lightly. The global prevalence of depression symptoms has been increasing in recent times. According to the WHO, hundreds of millions of people are affected, with a higher prevalence seen in women. With all of this information, it becomes really important to realize that mental disorders are just as serious as physical disorders, and there shall be no stigma in the society about these.